split. This is actually a decent game. You can play for a while. Gutter ball. Dude, we just played this bowling game. These are the tickets that I got. Those are the tickets that Clark got.
I did not help him.
Kid's a bowling savage. This is cool. Oh, you just started tossing them in there.
I'm like,
Yeah. Try it again. Clarky, nobody. Oh, this is brutal. You got one. Did he throw all those? Wow. Wow, yeah. What? Another try. No thanks. This is only 50 cents. Okay. This is a perfect game for him. Go Clark man. Hit those strips so you go real fast, okay? Hit those strips and you'll go real fast. There we go. Yeah! Good job, buddy. First place.
must be meant for little kids. Hey, you got some tickets.
Yeah! Woohoo! Good score, bud.
Yeah.
Oh no. Dinosaurs. Let's try it. Oh, you have to move the dinosaur around, bud. That game's no fun. It's like a glorified grabber machine.
What is it?
It's like old school grabber machine.
I always had fun doing
Oh yeah. This is only 25 cents.
I know how to play
You
this.
know how? But when it pops up, you bam it.
Okay, here we go. Get him, Clark, man.
Yoo-hoo! Over here! Ships ahoy! Ships ahoy! Yoo-hoo! Anchors away! Uh-oh! Hey there!
Get him, get him, get him.
Anchors away!
You got 8 hits.
Get a little bit ticket.
Woohoo! Oh, missed him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Missed him. Got him. Got him.
Wow!
Missed him. Oh. Got him. I'm getting a live ticket. It's funny. I can't even talk. I'm like, do we get tickets? Come on. Yes.
Very good!
That was pretty good for 25 cents.
Yeah, good
You
job.
want to do it again? Okay. I love this game so bad. Get him, Clark, man. Okay, that's probably... Whatever works, bud. Got him, got him. This is a perfect game for... This is actually cool.
Oh, I got some tickets again.
Good job, sweetheart.
It's got a lot.
Yeah.
We're raking it in.
This is such a fun game. I love this game.
Oh, awesome. And it's only 25 cents. Let them play again.
You want to play again?
Yeah, I
You could play 4 of these for like every other game in here.
Yeah. You do the other one.
Okay.
And I can do this one. Alright.
There you go. This is actually kind of fun. How many did you get?
I got that.
I got that.
Wow. Yeah. Let's play one more try game. Let's
Let's play a different game. Okay, you guys ready to battle? Get it, Clarky. Hit it. Yeah. Let me get your mom real bad. Ready? I'm gonna get your mom real bad. Let me try.